Number 7, you're going to simplify. Looks like we have to distribute first because there are things inside of parentheses. Negative 6 times x, negative 6 times x. Then the negative 6 times 2. So negative 6 times 2. Then there's a minus 2 in the end that we have to bring down. Negative 6 times x is negative 6x. Negative 6 times 2, it is a negative 12. Bring down the minus 2. The constants here can combine. Negative 12, negative 2 becomes negative 14. Bring down the negative 6x. That would be the final answer as negative 6x minus 14. Let's distribute here. Do we distribute that 4n? No. We want to see what is in front of the parentheses, which is a negative 1. That negative 1 is going to be distributed to the 7. And then the negative 1 is going to be distributed to the negative 6n. Bring down that 4n in front. Negative 1 times 7, it is negative 7. The negative 1 times negative 6n, it is a positive 6n. And bring down the 4n. The 4n and the 6n combines to get you 10n. Bring down the negative 7. You get the final answer of 10n minus 7. Next, let's look at C. We have to distribute that negative 5 to the a, negative 5 parentheses a. Then we have the negative 5 times the negative 6, negative 5 parentheses negative 6, and bring down that minus 2a. Negative 5 times a, that gets you negative 5a. Negative 5 times negative 6 becomes a positive 30. Bring down that minus 2a. Minus 5a minus 2a gets you minus 7a. Or negative 5a, negative 2a gets you negative 7a. Bring down that plus 30. There you go. Okay, this equation requires to simplify, so we had to distribute, then combine some like terms.